A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start our chapter 9, that is flowers part 1. Children, as you know, the flower of a plant is its most attractive part. People require flowers for auspicious occasions and celebrations. We send flowers to people on their birthdays, wedding, anniversaries, and other important days. They are also used as a way of showing respect at funerals. Flowers are an inseparable part of our lives. Some flowers have a good fragrance as well. So, children, let us learn about them in this chapter. In this module, children will be able to understand seasons of flowers. They also will be able to understand life cycle of a flower. Children will be able to understand different shapes and colors of flowers, and they also will be able to understand different flavors and fragrances of flowers. Flowering plants. Flowering plants are found all over the world. Most of the food items we eat come from flowering plants. We get fruits, nuts, and vegetables from flowering plants. Any plant that bears flowers and fruits is a flowering plant. Seasons of flowers. Spring is often referred to as the season of flower. However, not all flowers blossom in spring. Flowers that blossom in spring bear fruit by the winter arrives. Some flowers blossom late. Example, pansy, zinnia are some examples of flowers that blossom later in the year. Now we will discuss about a life cycle of a flower. Children, flower appears as buds and slowly transform into flowers. As you see in this life cycle of a flower, that a plant flower produce a fruit. Then the fruit releases seeds. After releasing the seed, the plant dies. Then a new seed germinate from the seed, and that seed grow as a small tiny plant, and after that the plant flower came into existence. So all this process is known as the life cycle of a flower. Flowers and their different shapes. Petals of a flower give the flower its shape. They can differ greatly in different species. Usually, the number of petals in a flower is 4 to 5, while some flowers can also have 3 or 6 petals. The bell-shaped flower. This flower is shaped like a white tube. Its petals are flared, trumpet-shaped. This flower has a tube shape at the base and a flared mouth at the top. As you see in this picture, its petals turn back as the flower blooms. Bowl-shaped flower. This flower looks like a deep round dish. This petal have a slight flare. Other one is saucer-shaped. This flower has an almost flat shape. The petal tips are slightly upturned. Apart from these, there are different types of flowers we see in different types of shapes and sizes. Now we will discuss about different colors, flavors, and fragrances of flowers. Different colors of flowers. Flowers have different colors such as red, yellow, white, pink, orange, green, blue, and violet. Different flavor of flowers. History tells us that flower-based cooking has been popular in Roman and Chinese cuisines. The hibiscus flower has a slightly acidic taste and has been used in beverages, while chamomile and jasmine are also used to make flavors for tea. Rose is a popular flower whose sweet fragrance and flavors are used in beverages as well as syrups. Fragrance of flowers. Children, fragrance of flowers refers to the sweet smell that flowers have about them. Flowers are used in aromatherapy. Aromatherapy deals with the practice of using fragrant and medicinal oils for improving health and emotional well-being. The fragrance of flowers can bring smiles to many. The fragrance of freshly picked flowers can give pleasure, enjoyment, and peace of mind. Oils are extracted from certain flowers and are used in therapy. Rose oil is soothing and is often used to promote a sense of well-being, harmony, and balance. The lavender flower is used to produce the popular lavender oil that promotes a sense of general well-being. It also helps people to relax and brings about good sleep. These aromatic oils are added to warm water for a refreshing and relaxed bath. This is all we have in this part, children. In our next part 2 of chapter 9 flowers, we will discuss about different uses of flowers in our everyday life. Till then, stay safe. Take care all of you. Thank you all.